Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto G23 and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this phone. First we need to lock the screen on our phone or turn it off. I'm just gonna lock the screen by pressing the power button. After you lock the screen or turn the phone off, you can pick it up, and now we need to find the SIM card tray or port. And it's on the left side of our device at the top. Here we have it. That's how it looks like. And to open this tray, we need some kind of pin tool. Usually one comes with your phone. It's called a SIM eject tool, and it looks something like this. And to open this tray, you need to take this pin tool, insert it into this hole, like this. And once you insert it, you need to push it in, and the tray will pop out. And once it does, you can take it out with your fingers, like this. Okay, let's lock the screen again. And once you take out the screen, or rather the tray, my bad, the SIM card and SD card tray, we have it right here, looks like this. We have the SIM card slots and the SD card slot. To put the SIM card on it, take your, I believe it's nano size SIM card, looks like this, and place it on the tray. It fits only one way and it goes like this. So basically I was holding it wrong. This is the top side of the tray, and to place the SIM card, you simply place it like this, and it's gonna fit only one way, so don't worry. Okay, the SD card goes the same way. You take the micro SD and you place it on a tray, and it also fits like this. Okay, and now we can insert the tray into our phone. Be careful though, because the cards tend to fall off from the tray. So when you're inserting the tray into your phone, I recommend to be careful. Okay, so I'm gonna pick my phone up, hold it like this. When you insert the tray, be careful. Usually the cards, the writing on the cards, SIM card and SD card, should be facing the screen, the top of the phone, and you can insert the tray and slowly push it in with your finger. Sometimes it gets stuck, so be careful. Let's take it out. Try to fix the SD card. Okay. And this time it worked. We can push it completely till it's flush with the case. And now we can wake up the screen on our phone. As you can see, the SIM card is working because we need to enter the PIN to unlock it. And SD card is also working because it detects it right here on the tray, or rather on the notification panel. Okay, and that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.